All right, y'all, come on, let's get started. All right, but before we do, I just want to let you know this video is featuring Madam Glam gel polishes. I have 6 beautiful colors right here I want to share with you. But before I do, I also would like to show you guys the nail tips that I will be using today. Okay, all right. So these are some whole EC basket coffin nail tips. I purchased these off Amazon. I will leave a link to these down in the description bar below. Okay, I'm also going to go in using this KDS glue. I purchased this off Amazon as well. This by far is the best nail glue in my opinion to adhere these type of nail tips with, because baby, it stay on and it stick on and it stick on and it stay on. Yes, it do. So I'm gonna leave a link to that glue in the description bar as well. Okay, all right, so now I want to start off by sharing the color that I will go in using, and that would be Sweater Weather by Madam Glam. This is the lid. I will not be showing you the swatch of Sweater Weather because, like I say, I will be using Sweater Weather today. Okay. All right, the second one will be Butter Up. All right, and this is Butter Up. Okay, and here is the swatch of Butter Up. It's a cute little color. When you say when you say when you say. The next color is called Harvest Party. Harvest Party. Okay, and here's the swatch of Harvest Party. All right, the next one is called Busy Avocado. I don't know where they come up with the name, but hey, it's called Busy Avocado. And here is the swatch of Busy Avocado. I don't know if this look like an avocado to you. Maybe it do, but you is welcome to beg to differ if you must. Okay, but yeah, this one is called Busy Avocado. All right, so I mean, you know, if you want to say I don't like none of my avocados, then you is free to say that don't look like none of your avocados. Okay, so the next one here is called Sweet November. Okay, Sweet November is a beautiful nude pink. I really like Sweet November, and since I've been doing these nails, this little pink stuff have grew all over me because I'm feeling real pinkish. Okay, but this is very pretty. This is a nice little nude pink. All right, Sweet November. And last but not least, this one is named after me. I will accept this one. This last one is corny. Yeah, it's named Corny, and that would be me. Okay, Corny. All right, and here's the swatch to Corny. Yeah. All right, y'all, so let's get started with this video. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get ready to adhere my nails to my little fingers here, but I need to find me a cuticle pusher. Where's me a doggone cuticle pusher? I don't even know, girl. Hold on. All right, so look at here. First I'm gonna start off by, I'm gonna demonstrate on just my thumb here, and I'm gonna do the rest of my little fingers off camera. But I'm gonna go in with my ASP antibacterial spray here, and I'm gonna spray my little thumb like that there, and then I'm gonna push my cuticles back ever so lightly, okay, like that there. Then I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna use this here little hand file here. This is just for your regular nail bed. I'm not sure what grit, I don't know what grit it is, but I'm gonna just go across my nail bed ever so lightly just to get it a little rugged edge. You know, you get what I'm trying to say, right? Yeah, you get it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that there like that there, and then I'm gonna take a brush and I'm gonna brush that off like that there, and I'm gonna go in and hit it one more time with this antibacterial spray, and then I'm gonna get it ready to apply the tip. So I'm gonna get on off this camera and I'm gonna do the rest of these here. Y'all gonna see me, I'll be back with my nail tips on. All right, in a minute.